Good evening, all my dear audience. Thank you very much for your valuable time you spared to hear me. You will see less smile and more delivering of the materials based upon my personal experience while working in different organizations. I have worked in the organization having 60,000 people, and few among them are the Remi Group, Technimont ICV Limited, ACC Group, and many more. I have given system and I have set up the organization HR from the scratch, where there was no employee, there was no system. It was the challenge to me to recruit the people, right mind for right job, and create the pool of talent people, which was accepted by the management. I have managed lot of mega recruitment programs, but let me say that in our organization, from 0 to 3,500 people I have recruited, which is a huge organization, big organization. Develop the policies, system, procedure and KRAs and all these things to make the profitable operation and manufacturing or services. In nutshell, I am coming from the large scale industry of infrastructure, manufacturing of steel, ingots, rods, service industry, security and hospitality, where the challenges at each moment were there. In this video, I would like to share my experience, which will be knowledge to the people like you, that what is the KRA. See, meaning of KRA and different version of KRA, you can see from the Google. You put a search, you will get. Today is the world. Today world is in your hand, because your smartphone is in your hand. And through smartphone you can go to Google and Wikipedia and all these things. You get the things available in front of you. I am not talking those things, KRA written by XYZ in XYZ country. No, I basically don't like referring the story happened in the XY company like USA, German, Italy. In Italy, KRA is written like this. In USA, KRA is written like maybe that is suiting to their requirements, such circumstances, situation, and the people over there based upon their education background. But here in India, we have to draw a KRA which can be understood by the people, means process owner, means each employee for whom we are going to develop the KRA. Come to the close to the point that take a pen and on paper you can take a format for me, which is more acceptable to the people of Indian habitations, that how they understood the KRA. KRA, key result areas. Very simple. You are expert of which domain as far as academician is concerned, and then same thing if it is being given to you, then that is called KRA. Suppose you are a person from accounts, then your KRA should be written as per account practices and based upon commensurating to your exposure, number of year experience you are having. Suppose accountant is you have appointed, what KRA you are going to write? Very first small format, I will suggest you put the serial number, descriptions, I mean KRA, and what is the weightage. What is the weightage? You want to do first, second, third, when, and what is the completion time. Suppose if you have something that this work should be accomplished within these days, within this period, then those things you put it and track it. KRA should not be written and put in the file of the employees. KRA should be religiously developed, made, and it should be sticked in front of the person where he and she is sitting, so that they are working in accordance to that. What happens in Indian management practices? People say that, oh, whatever a KRA you have written, you put it in the file and you work as per the day-to-day instruction. So there is a lot of variation. Then there is no scientific approach. Now, person wants to work because he has to have the livelihood from you. He will listen under the pressure, under the tension. But you, if you have to develop your organization, then you have to work in a very defined manner, in very scientific manner. Whatever KRA you have written under the format 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to clear the trial balance on 30th or 31st of each month. You have to do the bank reconciliation on every day. You have to write the cash bank voucher, and you have to deal with the bank institutions. You have to deal with the cash account daily. You have to maintain the cash flow daily and inform to the top management in the board. You have to maintain the ledger books, primary books of account every day before you call up the day. You have to develop the GIL ledger. You have to reconcile the party accounts. You have to work out the unpaid debts, bad debts, and you have to give MIS to the organization. On all these things, different things under the banner of MIS development. If this is the KRA of a person and many more, it is developed by your experience, and you involve always the HOD concern. Keep it in mind, KRA is to be initiated by HR department, but it should be written, approved in writing by the department concerned, and whatever he agrees, that will be the real KRA, and based upon that, then you sign it as a HR head. Let the HOD of the concerned department who has approved also sign the and let the employee sign that read, went through and accept the same, and then you take his signature. When he starts doing it monthly, you track it, that what was KRA and what he achieved, what he achieved and what is the balance, and make the total of it, and what is not achieved, give it to the in the first week of the succeeding month, you give it to employee that you have to achieve all these things. This is what I will put in this CD, and next in the second version I will speak to you. Thank you very much. Bye.